Good morning, Encore staff. If you noticed, you were added to a group called Encore staff. This allows you to upload resources. Every week I will add to the distance learning resource that's on there. What this allows you to do is it allows you to upload the folder that I already created, and it allows you to add materials that are in that folder already. So if you are wanting to do that, you don't want to recreate everything that I've already made, you can go to whichever course you're wanting to upload to. You'll click Add Materials, and you'll see down here at the bottom it says Import from Resources. You'll click Group, Encore Staff, and then you'll click the checkbox of the folder that you want in there. In this folder, I have a how-to video for students, and I have the week 1 choice board. Every week, I'll be adding the new choice board to this folder once it's finished so that you can upload from that folder. If you're not wanting to upload the entire folder, you would go in, you would click on the assignment that you want. And for some reason the link's not popping up, so I'll have to fix that. You'll click on the assignment that you want, and then you'll click Import. If you have created a folder already, but want to import the assignment, you will click on the folder that you created, and then do the exact same thing. Import from Resources, Group, Encore Staff, click on the folder, add the assignment, and then click Import. Every single teacher needs to have their course look the same. So if you want to keep your quarter 3 classes there, you can, but you need a folder at the very top that says distance learning. It doesn't matter what color you make it, but you can see my video on how to add a folder if you want to make your own. Instead of importing mine from resources, there's another video on how to create a folder. So if you need help with that, you can go see the other video that was sent out. Thanks, guys.